Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Chill English channel. I'm Sophia, and I'm so happy you're here today.
Hi everyone, I'm Jake. Thanks for joining us to spend a little time practicing English with us.
Today, we're going to talk about something fun, relaxing, and personal.
Yes, today's topic is talking about hobbies and what we enjoy in our free time.
Hobbies are activities we do when we are not working or studying.
They help us relax, have fun, and sometimes even learn new skills.
Talking about hobbies is also a common topic in daily conversations.
You might talk about hobbies when you meet new people, make friends, or even during small talk at work.
Before we start, we have a small request for you.
If you enjoy this podcast and it helps your English, please subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us create more calm and useful English content for you.
And if you like this episode, feel free to leave a comment or a like.
All right, Jake, let's start with a simple question.
Sure, go ahead.
What do you like to do in your free time?
That's a good question. In my free time, I really enjoy playing sports.
Oh, nice. What kind of sports do you like?
I like football the most. I enjoy watching it and playing it with friends.
That sounds fun and very active.
Yes, it helps me stay healthy and clear my mind after a long day.
Do you play football often?
I try to play once or twice a week, usually on the weekend.
That's great. Playing sports is also a nice way to meet people.
Exactly. What about you, Sophia? What are your hobbies?
One of my favorite hobbies is reading.
Reading is a very popular hobby.
Yes, I love reading books in the evening when everything is quiet.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I enjoy novels and simple mystery stories.
That sounds relaxing, but also exciting sometimes.
It really is. Reading helps me forget stress and focus on the story.
Reading is also good for learning new words in English.
That's true. It helps with vocabulary and sentence structure.
Do you read every day?
Not every day, but I try to read a little whenever I have time.
That's a good habit.
Do you like reading too, Jake?
Not as much as you, but I enjoy reading short articles online.
That still counts as a hobby.
Yes, and it's useful.
Besides sports, do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I also enjoy listening to music.
Music is a great hobby.
I listen to music when I'm walking, relaxing, or doing chores at home.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and soft rock depending on my mood.
That's nice. Music can really change how we feel.
Exactly. What about you? Any hobbies besides reading?
Yes, I also enjoy cooking.
Cooking is a very useful hobby.
I like trying simple recipes at home.
What do you like to cook?
I enjoy cooking pasta, soups, and easy meals.
That sounds delicious.
Cooking helps me relax, and I enjoy the food I make.
That's the best part.
Do you like cooking, Jake?
I'm not very good at it, but I try.
That's okay. Hobbies don't need to be perfect.
Yes, hobbies are about enjoyment, not pressure.
That's a very important point.
Many people think they need to be good at something to enjoy it.
But hobbies are for fun, not pressure.
Exactly. Now let's talk about some common hobbies people have around the world.
Good idea. One very common hobby is watching movies and TV shows.
Yes, many people enjoy watching shows after work or school.
It's an easy way to relax.
Another popular hobby is traveling.
Traveling helps people see new places and experience different cultures.
Even short trips can feel exciting.
That's true.
People also enjoy creative hobbies.
like drawing, painting, writing, or playing a musical instrument.
These hobbies help people express their feelings and ideas.
And they don't need expensive tools.
That's right.
There are also active hobbies besides sports.
Yes, like walking, hiking, cycling, or dancing.
These hobbies are good for the body and the mind,
Gaming is also very popular today.
especially among younger people.
Gaming can be social and fun.
And people often use English while gaming online.
That's a great way to practice English naturally.
So hobbies are not only fun, but useful.
Exactly, especially for language learners.
Talking about hobbies is a simple and friendly way to start conversations.
And everyone has something they enjoy.
Next, let's talk about how to describe your hobbies in simple English. All right, now, let's talk about how you can describe your hobbies using simple and natural English.
Yes, this part is very practical, and you can use these sentences in real conversations.
When someone asks you, "What do you do in your free time?" you don't need a long answer.
A short and honest answer is perfect.
For example, you can say, "In my free time, I like reading."
Or, I enjoy playing football on the weekends.
These sentences are simple, natural, and very common.
You can also add a little more detail if you want.
For example, I like reading novels because they help me relax.
Or, I enjoy playing football with my friends after work.
Using because is a nice way to explain why you like something.
Yes, it makes your answer more interesting.
Let's practice with a few common hobbies.
Good idea.
If your hobby is watching movies, you can say, "I like watching movies in my free time."
You can also say, I enjoy watching movies at home in the evening.
If you like music, you can say, "I enjoy listening to music when I relax."
Or, music helps me feel calm after a busy day.
Notice how these sentences are not difficult.
Yes, simple English is very powerful.
Now let's talk about frequency, which means how often you do something.
Words like often, sometimes, and usually are very useful.
For example, I usually read before bed.
Or, I sometimes play games with my friends online.
You can also use time phrases.
Like on the weekend or after work.
For example, I go hiking on the weekend.
Or, I cook dinner after work.
These small details help people understand your daily life better.
And they make conversations feel more natural.
Now let's talk about asking other people about their hobbies.
This is very important for conversation.
You can simply ask, "What do you like to do in your free time?"
Or, do you have any hobbies?
If you want to be a little more friendly, you can say, "What do you enjoy doing on the weekend?"
That sounds very natural.
After someone answers, it's good to show interest.
Yes, don't just say okay and stop.
You can ask a follow-up question.
For example, if someone says, I like cooking, you can ask, what do you like to cook?
Or, "Do you cook often?"
These questions keep the conversation going.
Let's do a short example conversation.
Okay,
Jake, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy cycling.
Oh, nice. How often do you go cycling?
I usually go cycling on the weekend.
That sounds fun. Do you go alone or with friends?
I usually go with friends.
See, that was simple and friendly.
Yes, and not stressful at all.
Now let's talk about hobbies at work or school.
This topic often comes up during breaks or casual talks.
You don't need to share everything, just a little.
For example, in my free time, I like exercising.
Or, "I enjoy spending time with my family."
These answers are safe and common.
If someone shares a hobby you like, you can connect.
You can say, me too, or I like that as well.
For example, "I like music too. What kind of music do you like?"
That creates a connection.
Now let's talk about learning English as a hobby.
Yes, many learners forget that learning English can be enjoyable.
You can say, I practice English by listening to podcasts.
Or, I like watching English videos online.
This is a great way to mix hobbies and learning.
And it feels less like studying.
Now let's talk about hobbies you want to try.
This is also a common topic.
You can say, I want to learn how to cook better.
Or, I would like to try photography.
Using want to and would like to is very useful.
Yes, and very natural.
Let's practice with a few examples.
Okay.
I want to start exercising more.
I would like to learn a new language.
These sentences show interest and goals.
They also give people something to talk about.
Now let's talk about hobbies you don't like.
This can happen too.
You can say, I'm not really into sports.
Or, I don't enjoy cooking very much.
These sentences are polite and honest.
You don't need to explain too much.
Just be respectful.
Exactly.
Hobbies help people understand each other better.
And they make conversations warmer and more personal.
Next, we'll share tips for finding new hobbies. Now let's talk about how hobbies can bring more balance and happiness into your life.
Yes, hobbies are not just something extra we do when we are bored.
They help us relax, feel happier, and enjoy our free time more fully.
Many people feel stressed because of work, school, or daily responsibilities.
Having a hobby can help reduce that stress.
When you focus on something you enjoy, your mind can rest.
Even simple hobbies can make a big difference.
For example, listening to music, taking photos, or going for a walk.
These activities may seem small, but they are very powerful.
Some people think hobbies must be expensive or difficult.
But that is not true at all.
Many hobbies cost very little or nothing.
Reading, writing, drawing, or learning online are good examples.
Now, let's talk about how to find a hobby if you don't have one yet.
This is a common question for many people.
The first step is to think about what makes you feel relaxed or happy.
Ask yourself what you enjoy doing when you have free time.
Do you like moving your body or sitting quietly?
Do you enjoy being alone or with other people?
Do you like learning new things or repeating familiar activities?
Your answers can help you choose a hobby that fits your personality.
If you enjoy being active, physical hobbies may be good for you.
You could try walking, dancing, swimming, or cycling.
If you prefer calm activities, creative hobbies are a great choice.
Reading, writing, painting, or journaling can be very relaxing.
If you enjoy social activities, group hobbies are perfect.
You might enjoy joining a club, a class, or an online group.
Trying something new can feel uncomfortable at first.
That feeling is completely normal.
Many people worry about not being good enough.
But hobbies are not competitions.
You don't need to be perfect.
You only need to enjoy the process.
Everyone starts as a beginner.
Now let's connect hobbies with learning English.
This is one of the best ways to improve naturally.
When you combine English with your hobbies, learning feels easier.
For example, if you enjoy cooking, you can follow recipes in English.
You can watch cooking videos or read simple food blogs.
If you like sports, you can watch games or read sports news in English.
If music is your hobby, you can listen to English songs.
Reading song lyrics can help with pronunciation and vocabulary.
If you enjoy gaming, you can play games with English-speaking players.
You can practice real communication while having fun.
Podcasts are also a great hobby.
Listening regularly helps you understand natural English.
You don't need to understand every word.
The goal is to get used to the sound of English.
Over time, your listening skills will improve.
Talking about your hobbies in English is also very useful.
You can introduce yourself.
For example, in my free time, I enjoy photography.
Or, I like learning new languages.
You can also talk about future hobbies.
I want to try painting. Or, I would like to learn guitar.
These sentences are simple but very effective.
They help start conversations and build connections.
Let's review some key phrases from this episode.
You can say, in my free time, I like.
Or, I enjoy doing.
You can add reasons using because.
I enjoy reading because it helps me relax.
You can talk about how often you do something.
I usually, I often, or I sometimes.
You can ask others questions too.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Or, do you have any hobbies?
These questions are friendly and easy to use.
Talking about hobbies helps people feel closer.
It creates warm and natural conversations.
Now, we'd really love to hear from you.
What hobbies do you have?
What do you enjoy doing after work or school?
Is there a hobby you want to try in the future?
Please share your thoughts in the comments.
Your comments help us and other learners.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the Chill English channel.
Subscribing helps you continue learning English in a calm and friendly way.
You can also share this episode with friends who are learning English.
Learning together makes the journey more enjoyable.
Remember, hobbies are about joy, not pressure.
They help you grow, relax, and express yourself.
And they're a wonderful way to practice English every day.
Keep exploring new interests and enjoying your free time.
We're happy to be part of your English learning journey.
And remember, the best hobby is the one that makes you smile.
So go ahead, try something new, and have fun.
Thanks for spending this time with us, everyone.
Keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep enjoying your hobbies.